In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional portfolio using Google Sites step by step in under 2 minutes. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or job seeker, this guide will help you create a stunning online presence without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. First, go to Google Sites and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can either choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch with a blank site. If you're just starting out, a template is a great way to save time while keeping things clean and professional. Next, give your site a title. This will appear at the top of every page. You can name it something like My Portfolio or simply use your full name. Now it's time to structure your site. Create separate pages for key sections such as About Me, Projects, Skills, and Contact. To do this, click Pages on the right-hand panel, then plus New Page. Once your structure is set, start adding your content. Click on the Insert tab to add text boxes, images, videos, or even files from Google Drive. This is where you can really showcase your work. Upload project screenshots, link case studies, or embed YouTube videos of your presentations. After that, make your site visually appealing. Head to the Themes tab to adjust colors, fonts, and layout styles that match your personal brand. Choose something simple and consistent so your work stands out. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click Publish. Choose a unique web address, something like your name.sites.google.com, and your portfolio is live for the world to see. And that's it. You've just built a sleek, professional portfolio using Google Sites, completely free and easy to update anytime. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and start building your portfolio today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.